Hello and welcome to Spareka. Today I will be demonstrating some useful tips on how to unscrew a screw that is broken or has a damaged imprint. I'll show you that right away. Let's go. Here we go. It happens to all of us when we dismantle an electrical appliance or something else, or when we do DIY. Sometimes we break a screw or we simply can't stop dismantling it because the imprint is broken. Exhausted, broken, and as a result we are unable to unscrew it. Therefore, here I'm going to demonstrate 3 main tips to remedy the situation and fix it. So the first tip, very simple. So here I took a piece of wood to show you. Well, it can be on a washing machine, a dishwasher, a chainsaw, whatever you want. When you find yourself in this situation, you have tried to unscrew a rusty screw, but in the process you have damaged the imprint, rendering your Phillips screwdriver ineffective as it no longer has a grip. Consequently, you will need to rotate your screwdriver in the void in an attempt to remove the screw. The very first thing you need to do is to obtain an elastic band. Just like this, take it and stretch it as wide as possible, ensuring maximum width, and then we will simply place it like this on the screw, ensuring a secure fit and proper positioning. I insert the elastic between the screw and my screwdriver, ensuring a tight fit, and then apply firm and steady pressure to enhance the grip and facilitate the process of unscrewing the screw, making it easier and more efficient to remove. If it's too difficult, you can utilize a small electric screwdriver. The second tip is to either utilize a hacksaw, like the one shown, or a grinder, and simply create a flat groove on the head of the screw so that it can be easily unscrewed with a flathead screwdriver, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free removal process. Please, let us proceed without any further delay. It is absolutely imperative that we make our way promptly. Time is of the essence and we must not waste a single moment. Come on, let's go now. Once the footprint is wide enough, I can insert my flathead screwdriver inside, either on the side or in the center, and turn it slowly to extract my screw. After, in case you don't have the possibility to use your hacksaw, or if you don't necessarily have access, or if the screw is too hard, you can utilize an angle grinder like this one to get the job done. Certainly utilize safety gloves and protective goggles. Now I will be able to unscrew my screw very easily. The third method is going to be the most complicated. If you are stuck on threaded screws, you can cut the screw head off with an angle grinder or a hacksaw. This can be done by using an angle grinder or a hacksaw to remove the screw head, thus freeing the threaded screws. And then you will either need to drill using a drill with a metal drill bit, or employ an extractor tool to be able to remove the stubborn screw that is stuck in place. You can locate it in all the do-it-yourself stores, and afterward you will need to redo the threading with a tarot deck. Tarot, that's it. The threading will need to be redone in order to put in a new screw. This method will have to be done on a metallic part. There. We can't show you because we're on wood. It's not worth doing it on wood, but it can be done on any type of device that has a metal sheet. I showed you how to unscrew a broken screw. I hope you enjoyed this video. If that's so, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or other methods to unscrew a screw, feel free to put them in the comments. Me, I'll see you soon on the channel. Don't hesitate, subscribe. Go, see you. Subtitle 501.